dang it. I'm gonna have to put that top one on there. First. I mean, it's on there. I think every time I start this car, that brakes go forward.
Yeah, it compresses.
I think that's what's messing me around here. So we obviously gotta stop that action I'm doing here. Unless I'm actually hitting the brakes, I don't really know.
This is firefighter.
Huh?
Use hot water in the back of it. There's honey all on there. There's no honey in here, probably all the tube.
There's no honey in your bucket now?
No, it's probably all in that tube, you think?
Oh man. I don't know, we'll get honey out of there, huh? Did it fuck it up? I don't use brake fluid. I use carb cleaner for brakes. That brake fluid is bad news if it gets on your paint. And this is not good. I gotta get this out of the way. I think it's just fighting me. I think it's just, that's what it was. I just don't think it's far enough. Or maybe I didn't move it at all, I don't know. We'll see. Let's see if I go on here. I'm gonna go on the top. We'll keep it on there. Oh, it's on. It's on. It is. Just keep trying. Keep trying. But it squished the shit out of my fucking friend here. You can't live like that. Okay. It squished the shit out of my friend. Now remember, take this off. That was on top. He's mad now that freaking honey that he just cleaned out of that car. It's not in the bottom of the vacuum. It's in the tube. All right, so we got this all together now. I hope you hope I was hopefully learning something. Thanks for watching Southgate Garage. Look for my other videos, please, and we'll see you again.